getting ready to make my attempt for the advanced category in the December Soap Challenge Club Challenge. It is crazy layers, whimsical layers. Every single layer has to be a different pattern, a different design technique. And with just the way this month is and timing, this is the only attempt I'm going to be able to do for this month. I do have an idea for the bonus one, but that's a soap that I've already like kind of made in the past, kind of have an idea for it, but it doesn't meet the criteria because I'm using embeds in it. In this one, you can't use embeds. So this is really the only one I'm going to be doing for this. Anyway, I'm going to be doing, we have to do 4 layers, I'm going to be doing 5, and I have a Glacier soap that I use, that I make in the wintertime, that smells really good. It's actually clean cotton from Essential Depot. This is a super strong fragrance, so you can get by with using not very much in there. So my plan is for the 5 layers, I'm going to do kind of a gray rock for the bottom, then an iceberg layer, and then an ocean layer, mountain layer, and then the sky. That is kind of my goal. Every single layer I'm going to separate out with a super pearly white mica line in between that, just to kind of give it a little bit of division. So the first one, I'm going to be doing some poppy seeds and some jojoba seeds, some white ones, and I'm going to use vintage gray mica. No, I'm just kidding. Pewter silver mica from Brambleberry, and do that layer, and then I'm going to use this zigzag tool and then do the mica line. I also have this extra mold that I'll pour the extras into from scraping. Okay, so that's layer number 1. Layer number 2, I'm going to be doing a 1 pot wonder. That's going to the ice. So 1 pot wonder, I will have some, this is Shimmering White Clouds from Wholesale Supplies Plus, and then I have Bluebell and Silver, what is it? Silver Mist. Those are from Nurture. Those are really pretty colors. Then that one I will scrape with this kind of little clouds, wavy looking one. The 3rd layer, I'm going to be doing Drop Swirls. That's going to be kind of the oceany color. I have Laurel Green and Making Waves from Nurture Soap, and then that's with a Vintage Gray. So the Vintage Gray is a lighter gray from Brambleberry that I'll use, and then I have this Wave one that I'm going to use, scraper, that I'll use. Number 4 will be, oh, I don't know if I said it, this will be Drop Swirls. Number 4 will be In the Pot, and that's kind of the mountainy look. So I have white, same white, and then I have the 2 grays I'll use, and then I will scrape it with this jagged edge. And the last one I'm going to do, I have some of this white confetti that I'll use, and I might go ahead and blend it so it's like the Ciaglia method. And I have Blue Slushy Mica from Brambleberry. I think I've got everything there. So I need to finish. This is pretty much the temperature. I will make each layer separately. I'm not going to emulsify the whole thing because it'll set up too fast for as much time it's going to take. The fragrance does accelerate some. I don't really remember how much. It's been a couple years since I've done this, and usually when I did it, I just did basic layers, so it wasn't a big deal. So I'm going to fragrance the first layer how I normally would and see how quickly it sets up, and then I will gauge how much to fragrance each layer from there so it doesn't set up too fast, so I can get those in. And probably for the 1 pot wonder, I probably won't even fragrance that one at all. And then the Drop Swirls, I may put a little fragrance. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see. So the 3 really textured ones, I'm probably going to either fragrance as part of it or not at all. And then the top and bottom, I'll fragrance those. So it's a strong fragrance, so you'll still be able to smell it really well. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get my micas all ready to go, mix those in with a little bit of sweet almond oil, separate it out, and we'll get started.